Hey babe, jumping right into the video. So I am working with some straight hair. If you guys missed the very first video that I've posted, definitely make sure to check that out. I literally took that ponytail out and created this video. So this is what we're looking at. I removed the high ponytail and kind of put it more towards the center of my hair, as you guys can see. And once that's like all smoothed and pushed back and things like that, I'm just gonna kind of braid this down. Now I did not actually braid this in the best way, as you can see, but however, you get the gist of it, right? You've seen me put my hair in a ponytail a million times, so if you need a more detailed video, definitely make sure to check those out. Nevertheless, I did go ahead and attach the clip-ins, which I did receive 3 bundles of their curly hair. So I'll be sure to leave all the details down in the description box below. And if you guys don't know, I don't actually attach my ponytails with like any pins or clips or anything like that. I typically just take one end of the track and just kind of like wrap it around the base of the ponytail, and then I'll just continue to wrap the tracks around. So I do double them just to make things a little bit easier. I'm actually only using one width, or one track, one bundle for this actual install. If you want to use 2, you definitely can, but I just kind of want to show you some more flexible styles to show you that you don't always have to have a lot of hair to kind of achieve something really quick and easy. So I definitely hope you guys enjoy these types of videos. And once I get to the end of the ponytail, I'm just gonna go ahead and take one end of the track, kind of wrap that around, and then of course some hair from the back just to kind of cover the base of the ponytail, and then I'll kind of just kind of secure that with a, oh, I just said I don't use pins and I use a pin. That's funny. So anyway, so yeah, I'm taking the hairpin just to kind of secure that, and I totally could have added another bundle, but again, this is just kind of one of those carefree, really quick ponytails. I need to get up and out the door and go. So I definitely hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm just gonna tease this out just a teensy tiny bit and kind of just be done with it. So nevertheless, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty. Stick around for a couple of little slow-mos there, and other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye babes.